welcome to this YouTube channel. This is Jotech Ai, where we're all about no-code AI tools and how you can maximize and benefit from them. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. But if you're a new member, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and share this video, because I know there are a lot of people out there that are confused and need clarity about how to start their YouTube automation business in 2026. So I want this video to be a basic guide for anyone and everyone who is looking to start their YouTube automation business in 2026. This video is designed to give you clarity. This video is going to help you to be able to put aside excuses and start from where you are with what you have. All right, and if you're watching from Nigeria or anywhere in Africa, this video is also going to show you how you can bypass certain mistakes that a lot of people make with regards to their YouTube channels. All right, because the truth is there are some limitations with regards to us here in Nigeria. For example, Nigerians make up most of the demographics of your view. It has a way of reducing your CPM, and you're going to get paid less for your YouTube channel and all the videos you put up on that channel. All right, and also getting more views from the US has a way of improving the amount of money you get paid for each view. All right, for 1,000 views, not necessarily each view. Okay, you would want to keep this in mind if you're watching this video, or if you want to start your business from Nigeria, or basically most African countries have this limitation. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to bypass these mistakes and many other mistakes that people make with regards to creating their YouTube automation business. What exactly is a YouTube automation business? It's basically starting a YouTube channel, getting it monetized, and getting paid for the number of views that you have by YouTube. Okay, that's why it's called YouTube monetization. The normal way to create a YouTube channel for us would be to set up our camera, good lighting, a good sound, and so many other things. Research has to be made and all of that, right? But with a YouTube automation business, no camera is needed. You don't even need the proper lighting. There won't even be actual human beings active in the video, because basically you're going to be using AI tools, and these AI tools are going to be giving you AI generated human beings. That's why it's called automation, because the normal way, the normal camera, bright camera, lighting, sound, all those things have been scrapped off, and you're going to be able to do this with the use of AI tools. All right, that's why it's called automation. So you're going to be creating a YouTube channel and getting it monetized with the use of AI tools. This YouTube channel tends to grow faster than even this one that I'm actually showing my face. Just like showing on my screen right now, you can see most of these channels that people are not showing their face tend to get so much views, and of course the more the views, the more the money on YouTube. All right, now that we have that established, you want to start your YouTube automation business in 2026. You can now go ahead to create a channel. It's totally free. You can create a YouTube channel for free from anywhere in the world. The first thing you have to do is to decide on the niche you're going to be creating your videos on. It's always advisable to have a specific niche for a specific channel. All right, so you can't have one YouTube channel saying different things. You see football, see health, see food, see marriage, relationships, Christianity, religion, everything on the same channel. That would really disrupt your views, and you're not going to be able to build a community with that kind of strategy, and the algorithm is going to be confused by that. Okay, so it's always advisable to have one niche that you talk about. In here are so many niches that you can choose to pick from. Okay, there's the health, your religion. You can post about health, you can post about books, you can post about business, finance, you can post about marriage, you can post about so many things. Okay, the thing is, it's always advisable to make your research. Okay, I like to advise people to post on something that they're enthusiastic about. You wouldn't watch that video, don't put it out, because you should always try to put yourself in the shoes of your viewers. Okay, and basically I like to create content on AI because I like to watch content on AI. I consume a lot of this content, so I like to create content to talk about it, and it always works out for me. Someone who's passionate about health, you're passionate about food, you're passionate about traveling, you're passionate about money, business, finances, then just make sure you create something that you're enthusiastic about. It has a way of helping you. That way, even if your channel is not making the amount of money is expected to make, somehow something will just keep you going. If you're still struggling to decide a particular niche that you would create videos about, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, you can use Perplexity to make more research on YouTube channels that are actually thriving, want to create videos about, because you don't just want to create something that you're passionate about that won't also, be monetized. The truth is, in as much as we want to create something we're enthusiastic about, we also want to be sure that we're making money from it, right? So yeah, you can use these 3 AI tools that I mentioned now to research more on thriving niches on YouTube, and you can start creating videos on them. It's that simple. All right, now for your videos, there are three main things that you need for the success of each video. All right, you need a script for that video, you need the main video, the main content of the video, and then you need proper sound for that video. If you're able to get these three things available, you're good to go. Basically, you don't really need anything else. Once you have these three things: the script, the video, the content of the video, which would be in form of images that will be animated probably, or stock images. I don't know how you want to do it, but once you have these three things in check, your video is good to go. And the truth is, there are so many AI tools which I would list out for you in the screen. For your videos, you can use HeyGen, you can use Higgsfield, you can use Canva AI, you can use CapCut, you can use what's that again? You can use Vigi AI is very good. It's a new AI tool and so many people don't know it. You can use Digen, you can use, there are so many AI tools that you can use. You can use InVideo, which is my baby girl, the one I really love to use. So there are a lot of these AI tools that you can use for your YouTube videos. Okay, with regards to your sound, the following tools can also be used, but a lot of people like to use 11 Labs. Then with regards to your script, you can use Claude AI or you can use ChatGPT. These two tools are actually the best for me with regards to script, depending on the kind of prompt you use. I want to create a 10-minute YouTube video for kids ranging from age 1 to 3 about the importance of fruits. It's that simple. I want to create a 10-minute YouTube video about 10 fun places to go to in France. That's if you're creating videos with regards to the travel niche or the vacation niche. People that want to go on vacations would be the most viewers you're going to have. All right, so yeah, generate your scripts with Claude, generate your scripts with ChatGPT, and you have that to go. Now for your videos, I already told you the AI tools you could use. I have videos on HeyGen, Higgsfield. I'll probably link them in the description below because I tried them out and I compared the both of them in those videos using my smartphone. So that way nobody has an excuse not to use these AI tools. Like I said before, I'll link them in the description below. That way you can be able to access them fast. I also tested out Digen. I think I have videos on Higgsfield, right? I know of an AI tool that can help you to create your script, your sound, and your video all on the same platform. And the name of this AI tool is InVideo AI. I'll drop a link in the description also for this AI tool so that you can get a discount when you use my link. I always like to recommend this AI tool because you won't have to shuttle between different AI tools, trying to create your sound over here, bringing it over to another tool, and creating images from another tool, bringing it over. It gives you access to thousands of stock images for your videos. It even generates your scripts for you. InVideo also gives you access to a wide range of scripts that you can even edit into your own style, right? And it gives you access to long form videos. The only thing is that it's a paid tool. It's not free of charge, but you can't deny the fact that it takes away the stress of having to generate your videos from scratch and then edit into your own style. Okay, even if you're using the free version of Higgsfield or of HeyGen or Digen, these AI tools are going to give you these videos in form of short clips. And imagine trying to create a 10 minutes video in form of short clips. You would know how many clips you'd have to merge for you to be able to get a video that is long enough for a YouTube video. All right, because the truth is, a long form video would get you paid more, much more than a short form video. If you're only creating short form reels for YouTube, I wouldn't advise that you monetize your channel that way. The reels can bring in the views, then the long form videos would keep these people in your channel as your subscribers. That way you can build a real community here on YouTube. That's the best way to get monetized on YouTube. We have our script ready, we have our video ready, we have our sound ready. Everything is active on InVideo. If you want to access this particular feature on InVideo, that would give you access to long form videos for your YouTube automation business. That particular plan goes for $100. And the truth is, how I always show people to bypass this is by pairing to pay for it. All right, since it gives you the ability to access it from 3 different accounts, you can now split the bill with these 3 people. Instead of one person paying $100, it would be like 35 for each person, and that's like amazing because of the kind of benefits you're going to be getting from this too. All right, so if you've tried this out before, let me know in the comment section, and if you're going to try it, also let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be watching to hear what you have to say, guys. I think with that said, everything you need for your automation business is set and good to go. So go out there and create your videos. You have your script ready, you have your video ready, you have your audio ready on the InVideo website. All right, the link is in the description, like I said below. Access this tool right now and start creating your videos. Thank you so much. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're growing very fast and I want you to be a part of my growth journey. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video.